Hi everyone, welcome back. Hope you all are doing well. Today going to share how to make crispy chicken donuts that's crispy from outside and soft, juicy and delicious from inside. It's a very easy and simple to make recipe and can be had as an instant snack or sent along with your kids' tiffin, which they'll truly enjoy. Also have shared how to make and freeze these donuts that stay fresh for a month. So do watch video until end. Hope you like this video. Keep watching. So for making chicken donuts, here I have taken 500 grams of boneless chicken, that's chicken breast. Then we require a teaspoon of the spices, that's black pepper powder, a teaspoon of red chili flakes, then garam masala, it's also 1 teaspoon, a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, and salt as per taste. Here I have taken 1.5 teaspoon. Then we require 2 tablespoons of corn flour, 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 3 slices of bread, 1 egg, 1 small onion and few coriander leaves. Firstly, we're going to prepare the mince mixture. So into a food processor, add in the ingredients. So goes in the chicken cubes, followed by onions and coriander leaves and bread pieces. Firstly, we're going to grind them into fine texture. Then going to add the spices and blend. They are minced well now. So now we're going to add the remaining spices and blend it well. If you don't have a food processor, you may grind it in a chopper or a mixer grinder too. All spices added, so lastly adding egg now. Now blend it well with the mixture. Now it's blended well and chicken mince mixture is ready now. A very important point to note here is if you find mixture very soft or runny, you may add all-purpose flour a little more and mix it well. As we added egg, the texture will look soft and sticky as you can see here. So we need to allow this mixture to set. For this, transfer it into a container and keep it in freezer for around 15 to 30 minutes for setting. In this way, mixture will turn firm and shaping will be easy. So keep it in the freezer for at least 15 to 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, let me show you. See, the texture has turned firm now. And shaping donuts will be easier as it's set well. Now for coating, we require a cup of breadcrumbs and 2 eggs. To the eggs, we're going to add a pinch of salt, pinch of red chili flakes and black pepper powder. Whisk it well. Coating mixtures are ready. Now, grease hands with oil. Take a small portion of mixture, form a ball shape and then press gently and flatten it. Dip oil and make a hole and give donut shape. Easy, right? Here I am making medium-sized donuts. Now continue shaping all the donuts. Making donut is very easy, right? Normally we eat the sweeter version of donuts. Do try this savory, spicy chicken donut and enjoy with your loved ones. Hope you are liking this video. Then do give a thumbs up, like, share among your family and friends. And if you are new to my channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon for getting notified. Now all are shaped well, so now let's proceed with coating. So firstly coat the donut with the breadcrumbs as shown. And then dust off any excess crumbs. Now dip this in the egg mixture. Remove excess egg and then again coat with breadcrumbs. This double coating of breadcrumbs will make donuts more crispier. A quick another tip, while coating just adjust the shape if required. And coating is done. Now remove the excess coating and then place it on a tray. Now continue coating all donuts and place them on a flat tray. A quick tip on how to freeze these donuts at this stage. Now place the tray into the freezer as it is for around 2 to 3 hours. In this way, the donuts will turn firm. As you can see here, once they have turned firm, then we may store it in an airtight container as shown, and donuts won't stick with each other. You may also place a parchment paper or food wraps between each layer if required. You may freeze it for a month. Whenever required, just remove from freezer. No need to defrost. Simply fry them in hot oil. See, this is how it looks after freezing. Now let me fry and show. So into the hot oil, keeping flame on medium low, add in the frozen donuts and fry them until they turn golden and crispy. Do not run spatula immediately once you have added. Allow it to cook on one side. Once it's done, as you can see here, flip and cook on both the sides. In around 7 to 8 minutes, donuts will be ready. Fry until they turn golden and crispy. And you can see here, a crispy and tasty chicken donuts are ready. See how crispy this looks? Strain off excess oil and transfer to a paper towel. It's an instant delicious snack that you can munch anytime and also send in your kids' tiffin box, and I'm sure they'll truly enjoy this snack. Now continue frying the remaining donuts. Fry them until they turn golden and crispy on both sides. So do try this recipe and leave your comments below. It's very crispy from outside as you can see, and it's soft, juicy and tasty from inside. Now drizzle some favorite sauce over it. Here I'm using mayo chili sauce. And then gonna sprinkle some red chili flakes and some coriander leaves. And serve hot and enjoy this snack with your loved ones. Hope you like this video. See you soon with another interesting one. Until then, take care of yourself. Assalamu alaikum. Thanks for watching. Happy cooking. Bye bye.